What up, YouTube? Thank you guys for joining back in another video. So today I got a special surprise for the car for you guys. As you can see, we got something special going on. So yeah, guys, as you guessed by the looks of it, these are the RS3 Fly1 Motorsports vented G35 carbon fenders. Like, oh my god, these things are amazing. Like, guys, just look at this. One thing I really like that they did was they added like a little like shadow kind of fade and then into like the carbon. I thought that was a really nice touch. And then like you don't even want to see them in the sun, but like, man, these things are amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys what I was working on so far. That one is the passenger side, but I'm gonna show you guys how to install the driver's side like I was doing. So I already have it installed right now, but I'm gonna the next few clips is gonna be like a video of me actually installing it. But this is how it looks, guys. The final product, man, it looks really good. Like just look at this, man. Oh my god, thing is insane. But yeah, guys, like I think it was worth it for the money. Like, these are pretty expensive, and I actually got them from a buddy next to me. He was selling his G35, so, and he had purchased them a long time ago. So I told him I think it was like a month ago, if I could buy them off of him since he's gonna part out the G35. So luckily we worked out a price and I got them from him, and here they are. Like these things are amazing. So like the only thing I have to try to figure out now is to try to bolt up my side skirt to this. Since everything is like aftermarket now, and these side skirts, not a lot of people run them. So I gotta try to figure something out for these, but you know, VQ Free figure something out, so no need to worry about that. But I will say this, so when installing the carbon fenders, I would say the best way to tackle it is to get these two first done, or at least one first. So drill out one hole first, line it up. They do have like indentations on the fenders itself, like I showed you guys. So indent one first. Once you get one indented, then you can try to put it on. And then what else I also try to do was I fitted my headlights on, and then I tried to line it up as seamlessly as possible, you know, to try to get as best of a fitment as possible. And then I did this one over here in the corner. That's why I got like this nice clean line. But when you're trying to drill out this hole, just try to line it up to like where like it's like nice and flush, and then try your best to aim it to the headlight hole and then drill it out. After I did that, and then I figured that I'm gonna try to knock out the bottom holes, because there are two holes over here, but I only ran this one. I didn't want to run that one, so I didn't want it to put that much pressure on the fender itself. As you can see, the fender is already touching my wheel, which is like pretty bad. But yeah, guys, that's not good. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm going to well, it's fine right now. It's not really like, you know, stiff to like a point where it could probably break, but I'm gonna be getting new wheels anyway with like a better fitment. So these are up for sale. If anybody wants them, just hit me up. But you're also gonna have like this line right here, also because due to, you know, fitment issues, these aren't perfect, but I tried to line it up the best way possible. And maybe you guys did it better, or there are better videos out there of people who did it better, but according to me, I tried to do it as best as I could, and I ended up getting this line right here. Nothing's gonna be perfect, you know, and I have like a little line right here, but I really wanted to make sure that the front headlight, you know, was like perfect. Maybe if I would have had like a little gap over here, this gap wouldn't have been that big, and maybe this one over here too. So I pretty much sacrificed the gap over here to get nice and flush fitment over here. So it's pretty much based on preference, whatever you want. But I'm going to put on the bumper, and then I'll give you guys a little cinematic, you would say, but watch. So this is what it looks like, and I will be wrapping the car. Oops, sorry, disclaimer. But I will be wrapping the car, so don't think this is paint, this is just primer. I know it looks really, really nice, but don't get fooled, it's just primer. I'm not gonna tell you guys what color yet, but it's gonna be something spicy. Something not expected, but spicy. So hopefully, I'm pretty much doing all this to the car because I really want to take it to Sumo Speed, which is in August. I got new wheels, like I said, and some other goodies for the car, but really on crunch time right now. Really got to get this car wrapped. I am doing it by myself, so should be done in the next few days, and then I'm gonna do a video for you guys on everything, on the whole car, try to get a shoot maybe, but for the most part, yeah guys, so this is how the fenders, they fit. I'm gonna do the other side later, but just wanted to really do this side just to show you guys how to install it. Honestly, they look really, really nice. Like, for the money, they look really, really good. So I'm gonna cue the cinematic for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and take life 2 steps at a time.